Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken wings. I haven't bought wings in a while because they're so expensive now. I've been doing legs. So I got me a pack of wings from Pete's. A little pack of wings. I hope it's at least 6 in here. I can't really see. Anyway, I found this breading while I was at Pete's. It's the Flaming Hot Chicken Breading by Andy's. So I haven't seen this in the store, so I picked it up right away. It has a warning on the label. It says, warning, new fiery blend, amazingly hot. That's what I want. But I want it to have flavor. Some things are hot just to be hot. I want this to be like a good hot and spicy. So I did look at a couple videos. There's only a couple videos on YouTube. And I want to draw your attention to this lady's channel. Her channel name is A Date with a Plate Live. So head on over to her channel after my channel. After you finish watching this, check her out. I'll put the link to her channel in my description box. She's a relatively new channel. I think she has less than 400 subscribers. Check her out. Check her out, and if you like her, subscribe and tell her MzBrazell sent you. Okay. I like her content. But anyway, she reviewed this. She put it on fried green tomatoes, tilapia fillets, and also on chicken wings. She said she liked it the best on the wings. But anyway, I'm about to do some wings. So, first I'm going to wash this chicken. Well, since I'm holding this, I'm going to put it in my breader shaker bowl. And I'll leave the link for this bowl in my description box. It's like this. Comes with the lid, this little thing here, and the bowl. You can use a regular bowl, you can use a Ziploc bag, you can use a brown paper sack, you can just use a Tupperware bowl with a lid. But I got this, and I'm going to use this. Okay. I want this peppery stuff to go up my nose. I'm holding it well away from my nose. I don't want to get to sneezing. I only got about 6 wings, so I ain't going to need that much. I need more than that. I thought it was going to be kind of crunchy like the Flaming Hot Cheetos. It's not. It's like breading. Okay, I'm going to taste it before I touch that German chicken. Bro, woo! It's hot, y'all. Woo! Woo! But I don't dare put this on Walter's chicken. He'll be crying twice. Okay, looking for a clip. All right. I'll be using my Levy 10-quart air fryer. Okay. I'm going to wash these wings and I'll be back. Okay, I just washed these wings. I'm going to cut the wing tip off a couple of them. Well, I'm going to cut the wings. I don't want those. I want the yellow ones. Okay, I'm holding the wing tip like that. Put the scissors right in there and cut. And if you have trouble, you're not in the right joint. Hold this wing like this. Put the scissors right there and cut. And cut right through. And this wing tip got nerve to have a bunch of quills on it, which I hate. That nasty stuff. Remember not to braid Walter's wings and have a fit. Sound like a dog is crunching some bones. Like I said, if you have a hard time cutting, readjust the scissors or the knife. It's easier for me with scissors. And just cut right through it. Certain angle you have to do. And I'll be putting yellow mustard on my wings, and then the seasoning, and then the breading. Okay. Sop up the water in the bottom of the bowl. I like to start out with dry wings. And yes, I do wash my wings, and I do sanitize the sink, the faucet, everything I touched with my raw chicken hands. Okay, getting the water out the bottom of this bowl. Now I'm gonna wash my hands before I touch the mustard bottle. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Start with the mustard. Shake it up, because you know, if you ain't used it in a while, that watery stuff will come out first. So you don't want that. Just regular hot dog mustard. Nice swig. That's good. I'm going to season it with the jollof rice seasoning. If you have a mixed blend seasoning, shake it up. Because the heavy stuff sinks to the bottom. You want it to be mixed. So this is all I'm doing to Walter's chicken. And I'm going to use a glove and a rubber band. You buy cheap gloves from Dollar Tree. You can get 100 for $1.25, and then also pick up a bag of rubber bands to put on your wrist. And then smushing the chicken. This chicken will be crispy also, even if it's naked. Okay. Come on now. Trying to open. I don't want to touch it with this nasty glove. should have put Walters in the 3. What we get? Shoot, I want the flat. See how? You don't want to overcrowd this, because when you shake it, you want it to be perfectly equally coated. I didn't mean to just leave him one flat. Okay, he don't eat much as I do. Okay, that's what he needs. Take this off. Shake it up. Make sure the lid is on tight. That's the first time Walter used this. He was going to lift it by the handles. I said, no, you have to hold it. Okay. Okay, I'm using, put this fry thingamajig on top of this rack to raise it, and I have a parchment paper down under there to catch the grease. So put this up in here. Oh, still I touch this chicken. That's how this looks. Let me shake off the excess batter. And stop trying to go up my nose. I hope I like it. Okay. Make some string beans and potatoes to go with this. He's gonna want some mac and cheese, but I don't feel like making that. Okay, I'm gonna have to spray. Let me show you how this looks. Spray the ones that are breaded. The ones that are naked, they don't need any spraying. If chicken has skin on it, then the skin will make its own oil. Okay. Pull it out from the wall. Set it for 400 degrees for 22 minutes. Start. Y'all didn't see me do that, but it's at 22 minutes. And y'all don't hear it running, do you? So I'm going to clean this up and I'll be back. Okay, the air fryer just now stopped. It beeped twice. That's how the chicken looks. That's the breaded, and these are the unbreaded. They all look alike. So I'll fix my plate, and I'll be back. Okay, here's my plate, y'all. See the chicken? I'm gonna taste it. Here's the vegetables I cooked: string beans, potatoes, California blend. Okay. Thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna eat a flat. Gonna turn it over. Crispy. Oh, it's hot, 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 hot. It just come out the air fryer, so it's hot. Oh, hear that crunch? Oh. It's spicy, hot, spicy. It's good. If you don't like spicy, this ain't for you. You would have to mix some non-spicy breading in it to cut it. But this is good. It's not only hot and spicy, but it's flavorful. Wow. This is good. Good eating, y'all. Wow. Okay. Let me get my eat on. I cooked these wings for 22 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I turned them one time. So the top and the bottom is crispy. This is what I've been looking for. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, 2 greasy thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 3:59, just made 4 o'clock p.m. on Monday, the 21st of October. Yesterday was one of my grandson's birthday. He made 20 years old. So that was his golden birthday. He was 20 years old on the 20th. Okay, I'm about to go. For real now. Y'all be blessed and bon appetit. Bye.